automatic labor detector, and then the GSM and the GPS. The automatic labor detector is simply a system. It is a portable and wearable system. As you can see, you can wear it. It's a portable and wearable system used by pregnant women to detect uterine contraction during the third trimester of the pregnancy, and to check whether those contractions are normal or abnormal in order to prevent preterm labor. So our system makes use of a piezo-resistive sensor. Here, the piezo-resistive sensor is there to detect uterine contraction. We are going to tie it on the mother's abdomen so that it will detect uterine contraction. So the objective of our project firstly is to construct and design an automatic labor detector using GPS and GSM, and it's also aimed at monitoring the uterine contraction during the third labor of pregnancy, alert the subject doctor in case of labor, determine the location of the mother during the labor, reduce preterm birth, and reduce maternal and neonatal death due to delayed medical intervention during labor. Here, our system is solving a problem, which is abnormality of uterine contraction. The abnormality of uterine contraction is the main cause of preterm labor and antenatal death, especially in poor rural society in Africa, where a lot of women do not have access to well-equipped hospital. So here, during the methodology of our system, we separated the system into three parts. So we have the detection and processing unit. The detection and processing unit is just the hardware of the system. And we also have the displaying and tracking. The displaying and tracking is based on the Android mobile phone. So the Android mobile phone is our GSM, and we have the GPS on the Android mobile phone, which is going to use for the tracking. So we are going to demonstrate how our circuit work. So I'll give the speech to my partner.
Alright, so how the system work? First of all, we have to know that when pregnant women experience uterine contractions, the frequency of the contractions determine when they experience labor or not. So normal contractions are the ones that are less than 5 or 4 contractions. So we set our threshold to 7 contractions within 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, our system will monitor and see whether the contractions are above 7 or lower than 7 contractions. But for the testing purpose, we reduce the timing to 1 minute. So we're going to put pressure on the sensor to show if it's more than 7 within a minute, then our mobile phone here will receive that data and tell us that the signal is above 7 contractions. So there's an alert there. So since we don't have pregnant women, but contractions are in the form of pressure, we are going to put pressure on the sensor. And when we put pressure on the sensor, it will convert the signal to electrical signal so that it can be processed by our system here, which contains the microcontroller, which will convert the analog signal to digital signal, then counts the number of contractions, and then send that data to the mobile phone here where the application is. So before we continue, we are going to enter a phone number so that when the threshold is met, then it will send a message. So, okay. We have a number already stored in it, and we are going to connect the Bluetooth to our system. Our system Bluetooth is the 8C0C that we connected right now. Now we can see that it's written connected, showing that the phone Bluetooth is now connected to our system Bluetooth. Right now I'm going to press on the sensor and I'm going to press 7 times. So this is the first time. 1, so since our phone is now connected to the Bluetooth of the system, we can now start. But before we start putting the pressure on the sensor, we can see on the interface that we have pressure, you have here contraction to show the level of the pressure that we are applying, and this is the number of contraction that you'll be getting. So if it's 1, it will write 1. If it's 2, it will be counting it. And here we have the GPS parameters. We are using the latitude and the longitude, which will help us to detect the location of the pregnant woman. And I have my phone here, which number that I saved on in the app here. So immediately the threshold is attained, we will receive a message on the mobile phone here. So I'm going to press on the sensor. I'll apply pressure on it 7 times. So you can see it's counting. Number 2, 3, and you can see the value of the pressure I'm applying on it as well. That's 5. So the message has come showing that what you have abnormal contractions and you might be about to deliver. Click the send button to share your location. So I'm going to click on the send button. So it's processing it. And then you can see message sent. So I'm going to receive a message here on my phone. You can see that a message has come. Yeah, you can see the message here showing that what I am about to deliver, please help. So this is the address, the Google address that was on the app there. So if I click on it, it will give me the location of the person. First of all, I want to on my data so that it can send me to the, now my data is on. If I click on it, so if I click on the message address, it will give me the address of the place where the person is. So